Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce this LED pool lights with app control as you like. We can have 16 millions color and it's dimmable starfish underwater light. That means it's IP68 waterproof. With 10 watt power RGBW lights for Inground above ground pools with two powerful suction caps, and we have 26 feet of cord. It comes in this case by GedFong. This swimming pool lamp is illuminated by 28 RGBW beads with a waterproof level of IP68. The complete set of lamps adopts a dual resistance mode for plug and central controller. This providing a safe use conditions for the use of the swimming pool. The total length of the complete paracord is around about 26.25 meter, I think. No, it was feet. And it's sort of for the most above ground and indoor swimming pools. And of course, it's a nice decoration for your garden or your toilet rooms as well. As you can see, this submissive pool light features 16 millions of adjustable lights, and we can turn the swimming pool into the atmosphere we want according to our preferences. They have emulsified the surface of the lampshade so that the light emitted is still bright and not dazzling. And we and our family can enjoy, of course, swimming while the Starfish LED pool light lights the way. And we can scan the QR code on the controller, and then we can download the Smart Life app, SMARTLIFE app. Really easy. And then, as you can see in that video here, you can pair it nearly immediately. And after this, after the connection is done, the light can be controlled by our phone, and we can adjust the color, the mode, the brightness, etc. Of course, you can also control it on the power line control unit by pushing only one button. This is an DIY unique swimming pool light, and you can control it by mobile phone. This is more convenient and faster than the traditional remote control system. In appearance, they have adopted an interesting image of a starfish. Oh, this brings the natural viewiness to our swimming pool. In the garden, for example. The anti-starfish lamp is made of safe and environmentally friendly ABS materials, which is resistant to dropping and abrasion too. It also has a good resistance to sun exposure and water erosion. In terms of details, it used the image of a starfish to reduce the water resistance to achieve the effect of extending its service life. The dual resistance design of the plug and central controller reduced voltage and improved the life of the lamp beads, and it's safer, of course, while you're swimming inside. And maybe there will be a fail function. It's not a big deal because you have not 230 or 250 or 200 watt peak. Here's only what it was. I think it was 24 watt supply. Yeah, this is the Starfish Circle Light. It's on the market as a single head, but you can also buy it. I think it was a 2-pack. You can buy a 2-pack too with one power supply. The lamp model is the LF7218. The lamp printer is plastics. The lamp color is clear, matte, purple, and RGBW. Okay. The lamp source is a light emitted diode system. The lamp size is 8.27 inches to 8.27 inches to 2.56 inches. 3000 lumen, that means it will really brings you a big shine underwater. The wattage is maximum 10 watts. The voltage you can use is from AC 850 to 265 volt. That means you can use it nearly over the entire world. The cord length is, as I said, around about 26 feet long, and everything what you need is inside. We align the included suction cup, the transparent suction cup, with the slot on the pool light and insert it all the way in. So then it's ready to install. Then we secure the self-locking fitting onto the frame pool railing if needed for adjusting the underwater light's height. And then we attach the pool light with the installation suction cup to the smooth wall of the swimming pool, and we press it by hand to ensure a secure fit with the suction cup. Then we twist the power cord onto the adapter in a dry environment. Then we insert it to the power supply, and we completed the installation of the lamp. And then we can have a function, manual control. We plug the lamp into the socket and power it on. The light will flash white for 60 seconds, indicating that it's waiting to be connected to Bluetooth. That's the pairing mode. If the phone is not connected after 60 seconds, the device will enter manual mode. We can also direct press the on and off button on the power control box to enter the manual mode. Then we can continuously press the power on/off button on the controller box to switch between different scenes, modes, and of course we can turn it on and off. If we are going to pair an app or our smartphone with this lamp, we use the Smart Life app. Then we make an account on it. That's for free, no prob. And then while the Starfish is in pairing mode, we can start our app, and it will find it if you hold it nearly easily because it's Bluetooth. Of course, your smartphone has to be enabled with the Bluetooth mode, and then you can connect it. After this, we click the light bulb icon on the lower light and the corner of the app. We select color light mode, and we can adjust the color and the light effect. Or we click on the palette icon on the lower right corner to choose from a variety of ambient lighting effects. We select a particular ambient mode and slide left or right to adjust the light effect, brightness, and of course the rhythm. We can click on the music note, for example, and then the light will flashes with the music beat. It's really cool function if you have a party or something else. This is the GedFong LED pool light with app control and a lot of dimmable colors. It's a Starfish, an LED pool light Starfish. IP68 waterproof, 10 watt power supply, and it's good for ground pools with 2 powerful suction caps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.